Hey guys, welcome to Yacht Specs Direct. Behind me, you're gonna see the Regal 38 SAV Sports Activity Vessel. Now, we just toured this boat at the Miami Boat Show. We think she's really cool. We wanted to bring you this tour. Let us know your thoughts and comments down below. If you are in the market for a boat like this, hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, that's yachtspecsdirect.com. We do have two bonuses for you today. The first is a complete yacht buying guide to teach you how to buy a boat like this. You can get that at yachtbuying101.com. Again, yachtbuying101.com. The second bonus, you gotta wait to the end of the video. Let's go ahead and jump into our tour of our Regal 38 SAV here in Miami and available at show prices. Okay, this is the Regal 38 SAV Sports Activity Vessel. It's extremely popular boat. So these seats articulate different directions here. And you'll notice the SureShade that comes out up top. Beautiful LED lights, JL audio. And then this is a summer kitchen here. You'll note the fold down TV. Ship systems there. And then here's the Garmin. And all of these seats actually fold down. So you've got plenty of room when you're socializing in this area. Sink there. And then there's the plancha. Joystick control. Bow thruster.
Sounds like
Yeah, I know. but I like it.
yeah, it's a great.
The first boat you look at, right? And then there you come back to it.
So you see 3 steps up on the starboard side. You have access to the bow area here. And you've got nice filler cushions here. Beautiful hard top. And you'll see with the sports activity vessel, it's got a lot of versatility. So you can have outriggers here. Here's the steps.
Have a seat.
And then this is walking through. They do have the boat show special on this boat right now. This one is available as well as others for around $830,000. If you want details, you can reach out and get all the information at yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, that's yachtspecsdirect.com. But you see a lot of functionality and fishing ability as well as just entertainment. So these boats, SAVs, have been extremely popular in the Regal range. It's the dive door there. Triple Yamahas. Nice Helm air conditioning here. There's the convertible hardtop.
Except the looks. This one here, you got your separate.
Cooler, Yeti cooler underneath the seats.
Exactly. What with these? I can
So 2 steps down into the cabin area here. You're gonna see on the port side, you've got a microwave mini galley. Nice fold down seats. Garmin ship system, Dometic air conditioner. We've got 2 additional berths down here, as well as a nice TV and storage. You have a very nice head here. Air conditioned head, big sink, electric flush toilet. And then you're gonna see the nice woodwork here on the shower, which has a full enclosure and an infinity rain fixture.
The other nice thing is for like entertaining time and stuff like that, this additional garment gives you control about all of the lights, radio, and no. The last couple of years is where you're getting these. I don't know
.350 V6 4.3 liter triple engines. $840,000 boat show price. On behalf of myself, Tony, and the rest of the team at Minted, thank you so much for checking out the Regal 38 SAV sports activity vessel. Now, if you're in the market for a boat like this, please feel free to hit us up at the info below or yachtspecsdirect.com. We did promise you a second bonus. We're gonna go ahead and jump into that right now. The second bonus that we have today is access to our brand new series. Now what this is, it's a 10-step guide. So for the first 10 people that register for the how-to guides, we're gonna send you these specific modules. Now these are really great because they help you through the buying process as far as how to select the right yacht, how to buy with crypto, how to survey the boat, how to finance it, how to get insurance, as well as the full process to actually close on a transaction. So we wanted to break this down to individual modules. The first 10 people that reply to this video can get access to these how-to guides. Request those by going to yachtbuying101.com. Once again, that's yachtbuying101.com for exclusive access. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.